Houston, we have a problem. I ran this car yesterday, and I wanted to see if the temperature would go past I think it was like around 80 degrees. It didn't. But then it started to falter. And eventually died. I assumed, maybe wrongly, that it was fuel starvation because the engine was perhaps overheating. Maybe it's not cooling enough, although the gauge didn't move. It's stuck at its normal. Now, it won't start. Oh, fuck. Well, I have fuel in the fuel bowl. Not keen on the colour of the pipe that comes out of the fuel bowl, I must admit. But maybe it's just got dyed with, I don't know what. I thought it was clear. Never mind. So, I have fuel, at least to the fuel bowl. I have spark too, I tested that. The car, when it stopped, it just kind of faltered, and then died and wouldn't start. When I turn on the ignition, whereas the pump used to go da 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 da, it just went da da. I'm wondering if I got a blockage somewhere, and I'm not sure yet. What I'm going to do now is take off the front fuel bowl, what do you want to call it, lid, I guess, and see if any fuel comes out, or see if any fuel's in there. And if not, then figure out what the fuck's going on. If there is fuel in there, I've still got to figure out what the fuck's going on. Okay, let me take this apart and let's see. Gotta say, I think with help of the fuel gauge, I fucked it. Don't know yet. We will find out, and you may never see this clip. I took off the float chamber lid. Yep, got fuel, as previously mentioned. I put everything back together. Haven't tightened it up yet, but I'll do that in a second. But I felt the fuel on my fingers, and it felt very oily. I think, and I don't know this for a fact, I think my fuel gauge was reading incorrectly, telling me I had more fuel than I really did. And I put some fuel system cleaner in. And rather than putting one bottle in, I put in two, because I thought it'd be good. I think what has happened is I'm just trying to run the car on fuel cleaner, and he doesn't like it. No, it says. No. Now, I could be wrong. We will find out. My intention now is to go and get 5 gallons of fuel, try and pump the other fuel stuff out by taking off the fuel line and, I don't know, feeding it into a tank or something. And then, once I've done that, see if I can get the baby to start. Now, she won't stop initially, I know that, purely because it's still got the crap stuff in the fuel bowl. So we're going to have to see how this goes. I'm going to go down and grab 5 gallons of gasoline, petrol, pump out this shit, take it from there. You will see in the next clip whether it works or not. Well, here it is. Pumping the fuel out. Must admit, the colour of that doesn't look very good, does it? Oh, shit. Did I fuck up big time? I don't know. So let's let this pump for a while, then I'm going to turn it off and do it again. I don't want the pump to overwork itself, because then I'll have to buy a new fucking pump. I've got 5 gallons of fresh gas. I'm hoping, I don't know if it'll work, but I'm hoping that the pump will stop pumping no matter what the fuel gauge says. And then I'll put some nice new fuel in. Yeah. What am I going to do with this fuel, you ask? I'll use it for cleaning shit, because I sure as hell don't want to put it through the engine. Right, let's let this go for a while and I'll come back to you. I gotta say, I'm not impressed with the colour of this fuel. I'm not sure what has caused it. I cannot believe that the additive I put in has made it go this brown. I'm wondering if there's something inside the tank that is giving it up. I guess we'll see. I'm gonna, when this thing gets up higher, I'm gonna dump in another 5 gallons of real petrol and see what it does. It's alive! Well, to cure my fuck up, I took all the plugs out, cleaned them, squirted brake cleaner down each bore and put the plug in. That got it to fire, but she wouldn't stay running. So I then sprayed copious amounts of brake cleaner into the air filters and probably gave it 10 or 15 goes of firing it over. Eventually I could keep it running so that all that crap fuel was out. Did create a little bit of smoke. I guess the engine's clean now inside. Whoa! Damn! Yeah, watch out when your fuel gauge isn't reading as it should. You end up like me, being an idiot and putting in too much fuel system cleaner. Let's go down the other end and see. Yeah, she's fuffing a bit. I'm going to leave this running for a while. Just a little fuff, 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 fuff. Alright. Oh, thank fuck for that. Now I can get on and do the Furflex. Alright, boys, girls. Not sure if there's any girls on my channel. I hope there is. These cars aren't unique to men. Okay. Get in my garage. Go do some shit.